Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional online store for your fast food business, how you can do that? Here you can see this is a professional website that is built on WordPress platform using Astro theme. Here you can see these are some button effects, and on the background the HD images, and if you scroll down you can see these are the products. Just click here and you can see how single product looks. After that scroll down. So this is a restaurant website that you can easily create for your business, and also if you are a freelancer, just you can develop website for your clients. Scroll down. Here you can see this is some extra details, and below that here you can see footer section. So this looks much professional. And after that, if we go to header section, you can see the logo, header menu and the button. So how we can get this professional website for free? So let's see how it works. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name, and the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form, but before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that in dashboard, here you can see in hosting. So this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain, so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name, latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down. Here you can see these are the current name servers, just you can replace with your own name servers. And after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here the first one, WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that you can select WordPress variant, and after that if you get WP here, just you can remove this one. The next you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that, scroll down here, you can select one of theme. The next you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step, WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website, just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that, here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that, just you can go here, appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that, here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security. But I already have SSL. You can see this is a site lock, so that means my website is secure. After that you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section, and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free version. And after that I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option. Select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see so it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you can see, our website has a clean interface, and now we need to add a professional design like this website. So how we can do that? Just go to dashboard, and after that here go to appearance, starter templates, and after that here you can see these are hundreds of themes and pre-built templates that comes with Astra WordPress theme. So you can select any of these according to your requirement, and I want to add this one. Here you can see just I can type a keyword, food. So here you can see these are the all templates that are related to food business. So just click here one of these, and after that here you can see on the left side just you can upload your logo file. So if you don't have a logo, just you can skip and continue. After that, this is color scheme that you can select many of color schemes. Just you can click one of these and it will be applied. After that, scroll down, just click here on continue. So now you can fill out these details, add email address. Now you can select your skills. After that you can select here for client or yourself. And the final step is just click here, submit and build my website. So here you can see it has started installing themes, plugins. So when it complete 100%, then your website will be live with professional design. So here you can see, and after that if you want to change this logo, just go to customizer. So here you can see how customizer looks in Astra theme. On the left side, just go to header builder, and after that click here site title and logo. So here you can see this is the logo that has a white color so that it looks blur. And scroll down, if you want to change logo, just click here, and after that upload your own logo file. So now scroll down, you can add here a site icon. After that, if you want to change these menus, how you can do that, just click here on menu page. So you will get this interface. So this is a menu page, that how it looks in WordPress website. So if you want to remove any of item, just click here, and after that click here remove. So now if you want to add something, just click here and click add to menu. So final step is just click here on save menu. And after that, if you want to add or change anything in style, like if you want to change this image button styles, and here you can see these are some more things that you want to change, just click here edit with Elementor. And after that, here you can see this is Elementor editing mode, that you can change anything in designs. So before that, just you can activate this container. So this is Elementor update that works with any WordPress website. So just click here on 6 dots, go to style options. Here you can see this is a background image. Just you can select your own image, and after that on the front side this is another image. So just you can add your own images. The next, scroll down, here you can see this is button, and you can link it with any page. For example, just I can copy this link and add here. So now when someone clicks on this button, he will be redirected to that particular page. And after that, scroll down, here you can see the product prices. You can change any of these, for example 50, and after that you can change background images. Scroll down, these are some more options that you can easily change. So in this way you can get a professional website design with Astra theme. How you can accept payments in your WordPress e-commerce website, just you can go here, WooCommerce settings, after that go to payments. So now here you can add your store details, your country, state, and scroll down, here you can see by default currency is selected dollars. Just you can change it whatever you want. After that, here you can see these are by default options: cash on delivery, check payments, direct bank transfer. And just you can enable one of these, and you can also enable all. After that, if you want to accept payments with PayPal or Stripe, how you can do that, just you need to install a plugin. Just you can go here, plugin sections, type PayPal, and after that here you can see these are some plugins that you can install. As you can see, the first plugin rating is very down, just we can install this second one. So it has 5-star ratings and active 52 installations. Just we can install the plugins, and after that we just need to go in plugin settings. Here you can see, just click here on settings, and after that here you can see this is a button connect to PayPal. So just you can directly connect, and here you can see it is loading. Just you can add your PayPal information like login details. After that it will be automatically connected. So the next, these are some options for manual integration. Just you can copy your production client ID from your PayPal account. After that you need a secret key. The next step is just you can add webhook ID. After that just click on save changes. So this is the way that you can get your professional online store for your any type of business.